It would have still roots, but maybe it's going to be a linear root zone system instead of having central composite root zone that might oxidize the soil better. This fenced area was created for about 4 years ago to promote the outdoor teaching and research activities, specifically for my students and then students in my classes. How we do? But be careful not to kill the green part of the plant. We planted different plants in different tubs. And then the basic idea is that some tubs having one types of plants with no diversity, and then some tubs have 4 types of different plants. So when you create the wetlands, we always have a question whether biodiverse wetlands would function better than monotypic wetlands. So with this project, we wanted to get some knowledge. If the main question was if the biodiverse wetlands would function better in terms of providing the water quality improvements or flooding mitigation, and then providing better habitats compared to the monotypic wetlands that are planted with only one single species. So that's the main theme of the experiments that we're doing here.
Well, it's really taught me a lot about just a specific aspect of a biology lake, and it's very hands-on. So we got to go and we actually got to be a part of a whole research project that they're writing papers on, and it's just really interesting. And also, in most biology classes, like, you know about scientific journals, but in this one you actually analyze, and you have to look at the graphs and actually fully understand the graphs, because we have to get up and discuss it with the class and just go through it step by step, and it really breaks everything down for you. So now when I read a scientific journal, I actually know what I'm looking at and know what to talk about.
They can learn this just knowledge actually from the book or from the photos and stuff, but when they actually come out here and then do things with their hands, and then their learning experiences can be really intensified. Daniel, could you go and then grab a little bit of topsoil, just like half bucket?
The most interesting about this compound is that, it gives students a chance to go out into the field work. That said, we're actually impacting the environment, creating mesocosms which represent wetlands and mitigation wetlands and how they improve water qualities through nutrient uptakes, sequester carbon, and our class grew. It's not just a lecture class where the teacher's lecturing and we just take an exam, but every class we have to have open discussion and really be leaders in the classroom, and this gives us an opportunity to hear each other's voice, spark questions that articulate within each other and at the same time influence one another.